If you're experiencing issues with files not syncing on Google Drive, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is necessary for Google Drive to sync files properly. Try opening a website to confirm your internet is working. Step 2. Restart Google Drive. Close the Google Drive application completely and then reopen it. This can refresh the app and may resolve any temporary glitches affecting the sync process. Step 3. Update Google Drive. Make sure you are using the latest version of Google Drive. Check for updates in your App Store or on the Google Drive website, as updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Check sync settings. Open Google Drive settings and ensure that the sync option is enabled. Sometimes settings can change, preventing files from syncing. Adjust the settings as necessary. Step 5. Clear cache and data. If the issue persists, try clearing the cache and data for the Google Drive app. This can help remove any corrupted files that may be causing the sync problem. After clearing, restart the app. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the file not syncing issue on Google Drive. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.